Booty booty.
Hey, put on your headband and do that.
Yeah?
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
In my pocket.
Do it, do it, do it, do
Come on, Alex,
it.
no, go away, have a shot.
Hey, it's my camera.
It is. Where's the baby? Who's my baby? The birthday baby. Yes.
Introduce him.
My birthday's not until 9 o'clock.
Teachers, men and women, I feel sorry for you if you're in 5th grade, but this is what you have to deal with, ladies and gentlemen. Alex Alvarado.
Al, come here. Talk to the camera.
Bye.
What was that all about? When I get these loaded, you're all gonna be gone.
We're gonna send a video to your teacher.
Class.
Oh yeah, alright. Alright, cool.
You spilled this on your bed? Sorry.
Uh-oh.
No, you're not, because you didn't come and tell me.
What did he spill?
Did the rocks come out? No. Why do you have this thing and you don't have a cap on it? I don't know what cap
What is it? What'd you do?
What did he spill over there? I'm coming right now.
You made a big fucking mess of this.
I'm coming right now.
Big asshole, Roger. What?
No, say so.
Oh.